This is my video for our vocab words, and I'm going to start with chromosomes. They are tiny structures of DNA and protein, and they are found inside the nucleus of cells. They also carry genes. There are 46 chromosomes in our bodies, and they are organized into two groups of 23. They contain one chromosome from each parent, so one set from each. And they are pretty much packages of our genetic information, and I have it labeled here. So sister chromatids, arms, telomeres, centromeres. And I'm gonna go into genes. Genes are specific segments of DNA that have the instructions for making important proteins. They contain the bases A, C, G, and T, and it stands for adenine, cytosine, guanine, and thymine. I think that's how you say it. These bases help us build things like our muscles and our bones, and we get a lot of our genes and our traits from our parents, actually. And this is, I had a hard time drawing that, so don't buy that. I'm gonna go into DNA now. DNA is short for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the blueprint of life, and it carries all of the genetic instructions an organism needs to function and reproduce. So DNA is this double helix structure that I think kind of looks like two pasta noodles together, and the sides are made of sugar and phosphate molecules, which I have right here. That's called the backbone, which I labeled. And DNA is found inside the cells of nucleus, just like the chromosomes and genes. Inside the DNA, you can see the genes, or the nitrogenous bases, the cytosine and guanine, and adenine and thymine, because they are always paired together. The next vocab word I'm going to talk about is mitosis. Mitosis is a process of cell division where a single cell divides into two genetically identical cells. These are daughter cells, and each of them have the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell, which is the main, I guess, point in mitosis. And this process is mostly for growth and the repair of damaged cells. And what I think is interesting is when mitosis is not regulated, it can contribute to the development in cancer cells. Meiosis is also a type of cell division. It occurs to produce gametes, or also known as sperm and egg cells. Meiosis has 2 rounds of cell division instead of 1, and these 2 rounds of cell division end up with the product of 4 unique sex cells, or 4 unique daughter cells. And these daughter cells contain half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell, while mitosis contains the same number. So each cell division has 4 stages, and these stages are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So it would be prophase 1, prophase 2 in the 2 different cell divisions. And I think I covered all of them, so that's my video.